In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the missing Safari app on your iPhone. The first thing you can do to recover the Safari app is by going to the home screen of your iPhone, and then you want to scroll all the way to the very right until you get to the app library. From here, you want to click into the utilities folder, and you should see the Safari app in here. If you don't, you want to click on the search bar at the very top, and you can search for Safari here, and you can open the application. If you still can't find the Safari app, it's possible that you may need to enable it in your screen time settings. So to do this, you want to open the settings application, and then you want to scroll down until you find screen time, and you want to click into that. Now you want to scroll down again to content and privacy restrictions, and you want to click into that. Now you want to click into allowed apps and features, and then you want to make sure Safari has been toggled on. Now we've toggled this on, we can exit out of the settings application, go back to the app library, and now we can go ahead and find the Safari application. If we still don't see it, you want to click on the search bar at the top, and you can search for Safari from here. If you want to pin the Safari browser to your homepage, you want to go back to the app library and you want to search for it yet again. And then you want to press and hold on the application icon, and here you're going to get a few options. Now you want to select add to home screen. Now we've done this, as you can see the Safari app has now been added to our home screen, and if you want to add it to our dock at the very bottom, you want to press and hold it yet again, and then you want to click on edit home screen, and then you want to drag it to the dock at the bottom of your iPhone. Now we've done this, you want to click on done in the top right hand corner, and now we'll go ahead and start using Safari just as we normally would. And that's it. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like, and if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below.